Hello everybody, can you all see the screen? Will somebody turn the lights off, please? Thanks, there should be a handout going around, so let's get started. So today I want to talk about the future of business administration. In particular, I will be talking about computer programs that will crack humans. I will allow time for questions and comments at the end. So I'd like to begin by thinking about the question. 100 years is quite a lot of time, don't you think? Administration has always been a social thing, and decisions are strongly based on human behavior. I strongly believe that in 100 years there will be a program that can help to predict the human behavior so there can be better strategies for the companies. Also, there is no doubt that administration will continue to exist alongside other essential fields, although I have my fears that tech could potentially manage every aspect of our life. I have that feeling on my gut telling me no matter how much the world changes, there will always be a space for administration as one of the most ancient practices humans have. And now I will turn it over to Sebastian, who is going to talk about how will administration look in 100 years.